can send them. Yes, yes. Okay, yeah. So, suppose if you have got one book or two books, there is no restriction of putting advertisement. And suppose one winning author is Pranay, you can add with Pranay. One is Goswami, one is Sapna, one is Om. So
now
with all,
very late now.
yeah. So with every author, you can test it out. Yes.
But it is seen that if one author is working today, he is not working tomorrow.
Maybe.
Then what?
See, it is a trial and error method, and see, it depends on so many things. Now, suppose I am writing book on meditation, and suppose your book is on fashion designing, so it will not match. So, suppose I am writing on meditation, you are also writing on some mindful meditation, something, and then as a winning author, I may be useful for your selling and all. So it depends which kind of winning author you are selecting, and what type of topics are there. So good evening, Dr. Suresh. How are you?
Yes, fine,
Yes,
thank you.
yes, okay, yeah.
But this ads, as it was talking, suppose the winning authors means the winning authors who are following the winning authors, they will see the books, no?
Yes. See, as a matter of fact, this is going as a email. So Dr. Gurudas Bandyopadhyay, he told that, okay, Goswami, your book I have seen in my BookBub advertisement. So it will be there. Suppose if I am getting my email and there your BookBub is running, so it may come to me also.
No,
And,
my question is, my question is, as you told that if topics is different, I want K.R. Goswami, okay, as a winning author, I am considering. So topics may be different because when the ad will be uploaded, then your followers will see the books, no?
Yes, yes. But probability is more with winning author if the same topic is there.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, Sapna is having fiction and I am having non-fiction. Then also she can be winning author. There is no problem.
But I will target whom? Only Dr. Thomas is there for me.
Yeah, but there are people on the internet, those who are interested in the fiction books, and fiction books are such that if you are starting night up to night of 2 o'clock you can read, but not in the self-help book. So it may happen like that. Okay, today just I want to tell you something about landing page. How many of you know the what is landing page? Can you somebody tell?
Landing page actually not so much conversion, but it is that to capture the email address.
Okay, yes, very nice. This is just like a web page, and it is collecting the data. Okay, but at the same time, let me share my screen so it will be very much useful for you. Just a minute. I will go to my ConvertKit. So, are you able to see the ConvertKit screen?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, okay.
But ConvertKit very expensive tool, $100 per month.
Yeah, but you can use it for the free up to some 300 subscribers. It is free. And one can take a monthly subscription also. But later on, when you have got more number of subscribers, it is useful. So it is worth spending $100. Okay, see, there are some tabs: grow, send, automate, earn, and learn. In a grow, when you go to grow that subscribers, landing page, creators profile, and creator network. These both are useful. We'll sometimes talk about this, but let me see the landing pages. When you go to landing page, and if you have created some landing page, you will have number of landing pages here. See that I have more than 50 landing pages. But suppose if you go to new, suppose I'm going to the new landing page. So it will give me two types of items. One is form and one is landing page. We are talking about this landing page. But what is the difference between the form and landing page? Pranay, can you tell me? Just
No,
idea.
no.
Okay.
Actually we followed the landing page only. Forms we avoided that time.
Okay. So basically it is both are same. But see, if you want a couple of data like a name and email address and all, you can use landing page. But if you have more number of data, suppose if you want that, okay, give me your name and then email address, then which city you are, or what is your date of birth and all data. If you have to gather, then you can use forms. So basically, there is a difference. Let me tell you. I have just one link. Let me open. There is a Onam festival in Kerala, so Dr. Thomas and other people are busy. So that's why I started recording. We'll send him. Okay. So I was talking about the forms. You know, there are four type of forms, and why how they differ. So suppose one is inline form. So inline form means it is integrated directly into the web page. Suppose if you have got one web page, then that form will be the part of the web page, and typically used for collecting information from users. जो सिटी क्या है आपका, email address, ये वो certain things. It depends upon the what kind of information you want. And third is placed within body of web page. So it is a part of the web page which you are, that may be in your website also, and it can be the single page also. And kind of the inline, I will open it, how it looks, so that you can have the information on that. It's little bit slow, but let me try. Yes. So this may be the form also may be having one or two things also like that. Suppose if your first name and email address and submit. So this is the page just like our landing page, but it is a kind of form. Okay, and then another one is model form. So model form is little bit different. So it appears in a separate window. Now suppose if you are clicking on some link, and it will not be in the same page, it will be in the different page, and it is used for important complex type of task, not only one or two. Sometimes you may require some 8 to 10 different types, sometimes some is throwing some that form. It is from Google form, but you can use this form also. So how this model form looks, let us see.
That Som is using this mind map, no?
Yeah, I am using different mind map. The SOM, what SOM is using is different. That is paid version, and this is I'm using from this that is Zoom. Zoom has got one that dashboard or whiteboard. In that one it is included. So I'm using that. Okay. So see, it is not part. It came from somewhere else. I will refresh and see. So no, it is not there, no, but it will pop up. Yeah. So this is the model type. Okay. And then third one is a slide in form. It will slide from the bottom. So it is a slide into a view from the side or maybe from the bottom, and typically it is used to collect the same kind of information. So let us see also how it looks. So now this is the page, and when it is loading, it is coming from the bottom. Same type of form is there. I have created some 4 different forms. So initially it will not be there. When you are visiting this page, and then the page may be normal page or your website page, but all of a sudden it will pop up. So it looks nice sometimes when you are busy in the page and all, and then after some time it will appear. Then you can set the time also, 30 second, 1 minute, or anything. And then last one is about sticky form. Sticky form is generally used in your website. So it is fixed and type, and it may be at the bottom also, it may be at the top also, and it remains visible always when it is dropping up. And then forms are sticky. So how it will look? Let us see. So if you see, then only you can come to know the difference. So this is the fourth type of form, and you must have seen in some advertisement and all. After 20 second or 30 second or whatever time, see, it is at the top. We can put it at the bottom also. So when somebody is putting email address and name and submit, then it will be uh, uh, done. I mean, information is stored. So these are the 4 types of form, and I have sent the email also, but I don't know whether you have got or not. So when you are going to landing page, these are the 2 types. So now when you are clicking on forms, then the forms which you have created will appear there. And these are the same which 4 types I was talking about. You can compose inline, model, sliding, or sticky. And suppose I'm clicking on inline. Then there may be so many templates. You can choose any template, just like landing page. The forms you can choose anyone. So suppose I am choosing this one, Cocoa. So what mistakes our members are doing? They will create the form, and then they will not change the name. So that basic name will be there. So you will not be able to remember the Cocoa form or Sound One form or something like that. So you have to change you have to click here and rename. Suppose if you're writing about my first book. So you may remember, yeah, this is the form I have created in a name is my first book, or my medium articles, or something like that. And then in the same way, we can customize this. Suppose if I'm clicking on this uh, picture, then the right side there is a replace button. So I will click there, and I can choose from my laptop, or from Splash, or Instagram, or from anywhere. Suppose I'm going to Splash, the Unsplashed, and I am picking up suppose this one. So it will change. So you can customize this, and suppose here is the only email address is there. You want to put one name. So here is the plus sign. You can create any number of text box. So suppose I'm clicking on plus sign. So it will create one more text box. And how you can customize? You can go to right hand side, and there is custom field drop down. You can take as a first name, age, answer, anything. So suppose I'm taking first name. So now email and first name. And here is the 3 lines, are you able to see the 3 lines? So
Yes.
you can click it here, press it, and drag it. So you can put it up or down. And see, it is built with ConvertKit. Now suppose you do not want that, this ConvertKit should appear. So if I will click here, and then right side there is a tick, you can remove this tick and it will disappear. So when there is a preview, it will not be there. So in this way, you can customize.
Two
Okay.
things I like
Okay.
to know.
Yeah, please.
One thing, in medium.com,
Okay.
medium we are writing now.
Right.
Suppose one picture I have included from the Unsplash.
Okay.
But subsequently, I want that this picture is not suitable, but I like to remove it.
Right.
The procedure you show me how to remove
Okay.
this picture. This
Okay.
one point. Second thing is, suppose in our book, the landing page we have to, in the first page or second page, we have to include. Now the procedure which I am thinking whether it is correct or not, suppose the book description of the overall book description, maybe 2-3 page or 10%, whatever we call, to show to the customer or readers. So that whole stuff should take in the landing page to create a what is calling some HTTP link, so that link I have to put again in the book. What is the actually procedure? How we'll make the landing page or this clickable situation for the readers?
It is on text, or you are talking about image? Suppose if
No,
you have got
in the plain some pictures that you and other people are doing it. Nah, suppose somebody can take the 10% content of the book, then by in lieu of their email address, how I will do it?
okay, I will go to medium.
Medium, that one picture, how can we remove? Suppose if it is not required.
Now suppose I'm going to one of the.
Could you please share your screen?
Just a minute. Yeah, yes, I'm not sharing. Sorry. One.
Edit and then delete, no?
Yeah. So are you able to see now the medium?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it's visible
So,
now.
okay. Now this is the article I will show. Just a minute. So when Chandrayaan 3 was launched, that time with the trending article, as a trending article, I have written that Neil Armstrong's death anniversary. So he was the first man to land on the moon. Okay. So now suppose this is the article, and suppose if you do not want this picture,
Yeah.
the same,
Hmm.
So this is we have to first go to edit story. The story
Oh.
which you have written, you have to go to edit first. Then now you can do anything. You select the picture and delete it. That's all. You go to
See,
the delete button.
Picture select,
See,
and how we
now-
where the delete button?
See now I have clicked on this
I have
picture.
tried it. I could not. This dialog box come. When
No, there is no dialog. So, see, I'm clicking here and then deleting. That's all.
Now deleting, how you are deleting? That I am.
Delete button.
Delete
No,
button
there is
Delete
no
is
button in
there.
your
delete
laptop
button.
or computer.
See, delete. There
I
is a
could not
delete
find the
button.
delete button.
There is a
What?
delete button in
Where?
keyboard.
Where
In
is
your
the
keyboard, in your
keyboard?
laptop, whatever you are using.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
picture.
And see.
Picture.
Yeah. So any you can change any kind of the picture you can remove, and see at number of places you must add some links of your book or your website or your podcast or your YouTube anywhere. Now suppose I want I will find out some word. Now suppose hobby.
Let me clear, please.
Okay. Yeah, please.
In the picture, you told that first I have to go to, because I could not. That's why I'm asking. I have to click the edit story. Is it?
Okay. Yes. Edit story.
Then the picture I will click first.
Yes.
Then from my laptop I will click the delete button. Is it?
From keyboard.
Hi, from keyboard. That I am
Yes.
telling.
Yes.
That will go, no? Oh,
Yes,
I
yes.
could not.
Yeah.
And I succeeded one, because last time I written in medium.com about what is the difference between the wisdom and knowledge. There, my first book topics was power of wisdom. I have and I link I could put, and I have seen that if when I click the link, that goes to the Amazon. That I could.
So now suppose I want I will pick up some word. Suppose any word. Suppose civilian owner. Suppose I click on this select. Then let me go to Amazon.com.
Oh.
Suppose I have got this book, and I will select this URL, copy it. Then I have selected the civilian owner. Then there is a link button. I'll click there, I will paste it, and then I will save it. It is saved. Now, this is a hyperlink now. So if somebody's clicked, and then it will go to my Amazon page. So,
But but that should be relevant to that to your topic, ne?
yes. Suppose I'm in my story. If I'm talking about something about some topic which is on mindful meditation. So there is a word mindful meditation, and I have written some book on that. I can put
Yeah.
there, and I put the hyperlink. So at least 2-3 places you should put. In some of my articles, I have put my video link also. So if you are clicking, or by mistake, if that reader is clicking, then it will go to my YouTube video. So it should be relevant, just like your hashtag and all. So the possibilities are more that when there is a hyperlink hand is there, then they are likely to click it, and then it will go to your book page. So I think you could understand the difference between landing page and a form. Yeah. What else you want to know about ConvertKit?
I just wanted
that
to know.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Please go ahead.
No, you go.
I just wanted to know that is instead of ConvertKit, we can use our website, isn't it?
Okay. Good question. Let me share my screen again. I am writing one my website page. Goswami .com/join hands.html. Let it load. Are you able to see the landing page?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice.
This is ConvertKit landing page, but this is
Yes.
my website. You know
Okay.
how you can do it. See, I will go to ConvertKit. Now, this was I'm going to landing page. Let it open. So, if it is landing page or it is form, you can put it in your website. How you can put it? Let me see. Now, suppose I will pick up any one. Let me see. Suppose audio article. Suppose I am going to this one of my landing page. So now I have made. I have suppose I have customized and done everything. Then I am putting placing on publish button. When I'm pressing on publish button, and if it is form, then it will show like this. So you can use JavaScript. If you want to use as a JavaScript, you can copy it and put it in your website. Suppose if you simply want to share, then this is the link. How to improve your content writing audio. So this is copied and it will go. If you are using a WordPress, it can inbuild. And then if it is unbound, means just like popping up form and all. It is one kind of the form which is dropping from other side. But here is the HTML. See, this is the HTML code. So now suppose if you want to put in your website, just copy it here. Now I'll copy it, and this is about audio of article. I will go to text box. I mean, notepad. Sorry, I'm going to Excel. Go to notepad, and I will simply paste it. So only one thing you have to do at the starting. It is a long form actually, and you don't have to learn this code, but you have to write HTML at the starting, and at the end, go to end. I write /HTML. Then I will save as audio.article or audio base article. Should name in such a way that you should be able to remember that what kind of form you are creating. Now I will save it to one of the folders. I saved it. Then now I'll go to that folder. This is recorded. You can later on see if you are overwhelmed. Now this is the
Later on also I'll be overwhelmed only.
audio article, So see, it is the same form, but now this can be in the website. So you have to remember HTML and /HTML. That's all. And when you are putting in your website, then somebody is fetching data. It will come to your ConvertKit. So what you have to do, you create the form and go to the HTML part, copy it, and then put it in your website. So create a new page, and then you paste it and the rename, and then it will be in your website. And if you don't have your website, you can just put it as a landing page. Rakhi, I think you raised your hand. Something you wanted to ask.
Sir, I wanted to know because there is some problem going on. Like you are aware. Yesterday I gave you a call.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm not able to receive the money from Amazon because it's saying that Visa card is not supporting, and what I'm running the ads, they are not able to deduct the money from the Amazon people. I have applied for a credit card.
Okay.
It will, yeah.
See, this is my debit card. Are you able to see? Okay.
Yeah, I'm able to see.
Ulta dekhai dega sometimes. Okay. So see, if you are using internet banking, then you have,
I'm using.
yeah. So in that you have to go to the ATM, management of ATM, or some maybe there it is different from bank to bank, and then you can enable or disable the debit card with online transaction. If you are if you are enabling, then your debit card will work for your the international transactions. And
Actually, I
think,
was also facing this problem. I discussed in last meeting.
okay.
Yeah.
It was my MasterCard.
Right.
I went to the concerned bank, the bank authority who is doing the foreign exchange section.
Right.
I showed him because it happened to me in case of BBS. Then I showed him the form, and he filled up the card number, CCV number, expiration date, etc., whatever is required. They're told that yes, it is gateway is clear, and they also enable these e-com services, international services, whatever required, but my card was not working. So
Yeah.
the BBAds made email to me. Then last week I submitted for debit card. Bank authority also suggested that probably your card is not working. System is okay. So you apply the debit card, and I have got message that it has been sent to me on 26th August. I think within 4 or 5 days, and I send the mail to BBS that please bear with the inconvenience because I have applied. They also appreciated my efforts, which I have taken. But that is also not sure whether my debit card will work or not. That I have to see.
No. That is credit card. BBAD is only honoring the credit card, not debit card.
See, it is better to have the credit card, and the private banks are giving a credit card.
That is okay. But you showed me this card which you have. It is the debit card, na SBI.
Yeah, the ATM card is debit card, but
it is working.
In some of the website it is working, but not for all. So
you are giving the BBAds and Amazon ads through this card, no?
No, credit card.
It is using a credit card, and sometimes credit card also I am having one teachable. That is the course like the learning the courses and all that teachable. I have got my teachable for my students. So it is not accepting the debit card. It is accepting credit card. But in the credit card also, when I was paying, then it was failing. And then they tell that your Apex Bank is not allowing, means Reserve Bank of India. So if fund is going from India to outside, sometimes they are not accepting. So what I did, I have PayPal account. So I attach my credit card to PayPal account, and I am paying from PayPal.
The PayPal is not taking my credit card.
So it is strange.
Credit card.
It is taking.
ICICI credit card.
Yeah, it will take. No, there is no problem. Okay, you send your screenshot. I will fix it.
Okay.
So, Goswami sir, when can I say something?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm interrupting in between.
Please tell.
So I should get a PayPal account as well, and I shall be linking the PayPal with my credit card, you mean to say?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Right. And also the credit card which I am about to get, like I shall be using for all the transactions.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Like, am I understanding correct? And second thing is, if I need to, enable the international transactions, I need to log into net banking. And then I have to go to ATM, and thereby I have to enable the credit card.
Yes.
Yesterday when I was doing it, my relationship executive, he handed it to somebody else, and that person was asking, how, from where you are receiving money, what is the invoice number, how you're going to do, what is the enterprise name, and he was bombarding me with lots of queries and questions. I got baffled, and I thought about asking you for help, because he was just inquiring me as if like a policeman, and I was not able to take the queries any further. That's why I thought about taking your help.
Yeah, so that's why that time when I was in conference, then I told, okay, I'm branch manager of State Bank of India. Then he told, okay, sir, then it can be done and all. So they sometimes they want to avoid, after all, they are all employees,
Yeah.
So if you don't have to attend, then they will ask so many questions. But you can tell that, okay, I want to talk to your branch manager. Just give him, just I want to talk. Then he will talk properly.
Thank you so much.
So,
this really helped.
So this, if debit card also fails, which I am getting shortly, then I have to take the SBI credit card. Because I rely on
see,
them.
suppose SBI if is not giving credit card, you can do one thing.
No, they will give. They will give. Only
Yeah.
the charge will be yearly charge will be little more than the debit card.
See, as a matter of fact,
No.
I'll tell you. If you are using your credit card and then up to 52 days, your amount is not charged any of the interest and all. But after 52 days, it is almost 2.95%. That means 3% per month. Can you believe? It is 36% annually. Now,
Oh,
suppose if you have idle amount of 1 lakh rupees, and if you are not using, and there is a rule of 72, 72 divided by your interest. So 72 divided by 36. So 36 by 2. So within 2 years, you have to pay double. So with 1 lakh, if it is staying for 1 year or for 2 years, you have to pay 2 lakh rupees. So if you are using your credit card, immediately, whenever it is possible, you repay it. And don't keep amount outstanding for a long time because it is a huge interest, 2.95% per month.
somehow I was not
I
able
have
to.
I have a wealth card of SBI. Whether it will work?
Which card?
Wealth card.
Wealth card. Wealth card is not for transaction, I think so. But credit card, it is useful. And it is better you open a PayPal account and attach it is there are some facilities in a PayPal. It is by this PayPal is I think Elon Musk.
Elon Musk,
company.
yeah. Elon
No,
Musk.
Elon Musk. But what you suggest, if it is required the credit card, whatever you told that the amounts I have to pay immediately after deducting.
No,
in
not
the credit
immediately. Not immediately.
No. Bill will come. Bill will come.
See, up to some 52 days it is free. Now, suppose if you spend some 10,000 rupees.
Yeah.
On first of the August, 1st August. Then up to the 20th September, that amount is free for interest.
Okay. Okay.
But as in when it is possible, you just pay. Repay.
Sure. But if I take the SBI credit card, will it be okay?
Yes. It is good. Service is good.
Then
And
again,
you can have couple of. You can have a couple of credit card also. For your spouse also, you can have the card.
Okay. Another thing.
PayPal linking is important. PayPal linking is necessary. Like, should we have PayPal compulsory or we can do without?
It is not compulsory. But for some of the transactions now, suppose if you have to pay in dollars and all, so it is easy. You can pay through PayPal. It is not compulsory, but somewhere it is useful. So,
but in BBS, the format which there is clearly mentioned debit card, MasterCard, everything. There nothing mentioned that it is a credit card. I asked them. I wrote that it is mentioned already the debit card or MasterCard. Suppose MasterCard, the bank told that there was some restrictions in MasterCard. So I thought that I will take now debit card. If it does not work, then I have to take the credit card.
See, when it is when it is asking to
in BBEd.
Okay, go ahead, please.
In BBEd, debit card will not work. I have proved myself. And basically, State Bank debit card will not work.
See, actually, what is the difference between credit card and debit card? Can anybody tell me? You are on mute.
Credit
Understand that some amount will be given to us in power of using the amount, and within the 52 days, as you told, I have to repay the amount.
Yeah. See, a debit card means you are already having money in your account. But in case of credit card, you don't have amount in your account.
Yeah.
So it is just like loan. And yeah. So thousands of credit card banks are paying. Why? Because they are getting interest, and huge interest, 36% interest per year. You know,
Suppose if I pay the amount in due time, then there will be no extra charge, no?
Yes.
Only the credit card charge, annual card charge, maybe 200, 300,
yes,
3,000, whatever it is.
Yeah. And there will be some financial charges also monthly. Actually, I am the staff member, so they are not taking from me. But for generally, there are some charges, that financial charges and something like that. And annual replacement, suppose replacement of credit card. That time also they are charging.
What you suggest, whether I will go to credit card for the SBI or other private banks, which will earn well, but I trust SBI. That is my feelings.
Yeah, there is no much difference between SBI and private bank. You know, for credit card and all, the rules are same.
No, that is okay.
SBI
But
is also private card.
in case of Amazon ads or BB ads, whether SBI credit card will work.
Yeah, both will work, because I am using SBI credit card also, and Kotak Mahindra also. So I wanted to open Kotak Mahindra account without visiting the branch. So I told I want to open the account. Then I opened the online account. Then you will ask, what about KYC? Then they did video KYC. You know, the executive was in front of me, and then I was showing the card and everything, and then video KYC was over. Then account was opened, everything with zero balance and all.
Can we keep an extra amount in that credit card?
No, you cannot.
You cannot keep any account, any amount.
I am not able to transfer the amount from my UPI.
From your debit card, I
to
think.
The credit card, yeah.
Credit card, I think you cannot use in UPI.
Last time I have done. See, can you see over?
No, it is,
last time I have done, but I am not able to do again.
Please share a screenshot with sir.
See, let me tell you something about credit card. See, credit card, can you use credit card in ATM?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can withdraw.
But if you are withdrawing 100 rupees, then 300 rupees per transaction charge will be there. For one transaction, 300 rupees.
Yeah.
So is it okay? You withdraw 100 rupees or 200 rupees, and extra charge will be 300 rupees. So you should use in emergency only. Otherwise, you don't use for that UPI or ATM or other things. You can use it in that hotel and restaurants everywhere. That is okay. But not ATM. ATM
Not
is
Cash withdrawal is not allowed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
another.
Yes. Ask.
No, that paper bag and hardcover. So 5.5 into 8.5, it will be okay for the hardcover also?
Yes, but you must remember that margin from all the four sides should be sufficient. Otherwise, it will come in that red line and it will fail after some time.
No, margin means in the paper bag
margin. See, margin means just a minute, I will tell you.
Whatever I have done in the paper bag, 0.6 in top, bottom, left and right, and gutter also I have kept 0.5.
1 minute.
Will be okay.
Myself and Dr. Suresh were busy for 2 hours on net, for the same reason. See, suppose if you are not keeping sufficient margin, then suppose it is from here it is touching here at the top, then it will accept, but after some 24 hours it will fail. So from all the side there should be sufficient margin. It should not go out of this red line. And when you are designing in your wherever Photoshop or in Canva, that time there will be a the frame. It will guide you that it should not go beyond this. So if it is going beyond this, you can type it and it may go beyond that. It will accept everything. When you are uploading, that time it will fail.
So for what difference we make hardcover and paperback
Hardcover
then?
and paperback both are same, but you hardcover is requiring little bit extra margin.
So we have to do some setting change then, no?
Yeah. So if you are doing sufficient margin at a time for hardcover and paperback, then you don't have to again do it.
Then sufficient margin is
Little,
how much?
little bit inside that which I have shown just now.
So there is no measurement to it, no?
Yeah, see, it is. See, just a minute. I will show you one cover. Let me show you. Are you able to see something on this screen?
No.
No,
You.
no.
Let me share. Let me share. I'm not sharing it.
You are something.
Yeah. Now are you able to see?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So see. Now suppose just a minute. Now if I'm keeping here the distance is very less, then it will come in the red line of the KDP. So it will fail. But if I'm keeping sufficient margin here, a top margin, a right side margin, and bottom margin, then it will not have any problem.
What is this pixel?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is okay. What I have done, I also discussed with you that first paper I have taken the 5.5 into 8.5. Okay.
Yeah.
Then margin I have taken top, bottom, left and right 0.6 inches. And gutter I have kept 0.5. Suppose considering that my pages will be 120 to 150 like this. So this will okay for the ebook and paperback. But now as you are telling that for the hardcover, should the margin should be little more.
Hardcover that
will it be okay for the hardcover also 0.6 every side?
Yes, hardcover it will be okay, but sometimes hardcover is requiring little bit extra margin.
How much?
So,
how much?
That depends upon your spine. Suppose if you have got 150 page or 100 page, then it will differ.
0.8 maybe.
Yeah.
0.8.
So better that last time I have shown the book cover. This is the calculation. Now suppose if you have got 200 page and your book is 5.5 and 8.5, and then you calculate. So your spine should be 77 pixel and your book size 1133 pixel and 816, that is height. I'm not sharing screen, no?
No.
One minute. Yeah, every time I forget. Just a minute. Yeah. See, so 200 page.
Yeah, last time you showed this.
Last time you told
Sir, we just
I'm-
want some clarity. I believe Pranay ji wants to say how much is in inches everything.
See, this is in inch. 8.5 is inch. 5.5 is in inch.
Okay.
So it is calculating in pixel. This is manually I have made in my website. So
That
70.
one question.
Okay, please go ahead.
That is okay. Show the screen. That one. Just now the calculation part.
Yeah,
okay.
Yes.
Suppose 200 page. Maybe our case it may be less than 150, 130. So I have put it. the spine in pixel is 77. What does it mean?
That means this is, see, this is the spine.
Hmm.
You know, this space is your 200 pages. It will include. This is the spine.
I am telling, I am asking this 77 pixel equal to how much inches?
No.
Okay.
Pixel and inches, there is a relation.
There are two ways I will go to the ChatGPT. It will give us clear
Yes, there is a relation. There is a relation.
Yeah. So on that relation only I have designed this page.
Yeah.
So let us use this. You can go to that. I mean Google also, but here give the ratio of inch and pixel.
Pixel.
See, ratio is equal to pixels divided by inches is equal to dpi. That is about dpi. But 1 minute.
Just 1 minute.
Time.
How many?
খিদে পেয়ে গেছে নাকি?
Pixel make 1 inch. (96). 1 inch is equal to 96 pixel.
1 inch equal to 96 pixel.
Yes.
Okay.
1 inch what? Height, breadth what?
Whatever it is.
Spine.
If it is height,
1 inch.
1 inch.
Huh?
1 inch, the
1 inch.
measurement of 1 inch.
0.5 into 0.5 you're talking about, right?
See,
1 inch is 100. So
see
like
now, see
5 inches,
so,
500.
See 5.5 inch into 96. That means it will be converted in pixel. Yeah. So 96 pixel is equal to 1 inch. Suppose if you got
in the cover design also, when we are putting there is either I can put in inches or either I can put in pixels.
Yes. That also I'll show you. Let me see. So there should not be any doubt.
No, it is full of doubts.
So,
I think it's good that we talk about the pain points.
Yes.
Yes.
I know what type of pains we are having. See, let me go to Photoshop. It is opening.
Yes, like this only we are head in the cloud now.
Yes. So everything will be clear. Don't worry. Whether it is cloud or raining. So it's a little bit slow. Let it load. Bear with me. So now suppose I'm going to new and I want to design book cover. So see, I will take custom 512 into 816 pixel. This is exactly your Kindle cover. So here it is 512, and if you want to see in inches, I'll show you in inch. Image size. See, 512 pixel. That is width, and height is 816. Now suppose I'll go to inch. I'll go to this one inch. So it is 1.707 and 2.72. So you can take it as a pixel. And see, one more thing I just want to tell you before I forget, that when you are uploading your Kindle cover, two things you have to remember. One is it should be more than 300 dpi, dots per inch. The resolution should be good. Number two, the pixel should be 1665. It should not be less than that, height and width. Otherwise, it will not take. And maximum size should not be
600?
10,000.
Pardon, again the pixel size you
Pixel
told?
size 665. It should not be less than 665.
Into 100,000 also you told? 1,000?
Yeah, it should not in any dimension. It should not exceed 10,000 pixel.
Oh.
If it is more than that, it will not accept. Now, what height I told? I told width 665, and height also I told. I forgot. 1 minute.
1000.
1 minute. I have stored in mobile just a minute. Exact dimension I have stored somewhere. Just a minute.
So can I share one thing?
Just a minute. I will finish this. The dimension, minimum dimension is 1000 pixel in height and 625 pixel, not 655, sorry. 1000 pixel minimum height and 625 minimum width.
Minimum width.
And in any case, it should not exceed 10,000 pixel. This you have to remember while designing.
It is in case of uploading time.
Yes, uploading time. So now I will ask one question. Okay, please go ahead.
5.5 by 8.5 is more than this.
7.5 is in inch. We are talking about pixel.
So how we'll convert it into pixel?
96 pixel is equal to 1 inch. That you can remember. You can count in Excel. Okay. So Pranay, I will ask one question. My book cover is 999 height. Will it accept?
No.
My height is 999.
It has to be 1000, no?
Yes.
No, it's maximum.
Maximum is 10,000.
No, it should be minimum. It is minimum 1000. 999 it will not accept.
It will not accept. Minimum is 1000 required.
And if suppose height is 10,020.
No, it will also not
No,
accept.
then also.
Yes.
Okay.
So you have
but
to
how
remember
much actually that how much we should put? That minimum maximum we know. But in case
you see, when you are designing your Kindle, if it is 2000 and the width is 1000, it will accept. It's the minimum you should remember and maximum. That's all.
What about paperback?
And paperback calculation I have given it there. That same
1000 into 600.
See, just now I had to shown you, that book cover. Let me share this.
1620.
The calculation is bit.
Yeah. So every time we require this. That's why I made this page, because in every meeting that silver and gold and all, sometimes we are visiting, they are asking same question. That's why I designed this page. I was uploading my book. That time I captured this image and then I calculated here.
But during uploading, front page, back page are asking.
See, this is the back page, and this is called blurb. This is about author, and this is about book, and you have to keep the space here. This for barcode.
Yeah.
This barcode they will give, no?
Yeah, automatically it will come. And when you are uploading, if it is going out of range, then see, these are 135 page of this book. So every page, suppose in a fifth page, it is going a little bit out in the formatting, then also here it will show as an error. That 3 errors, 4 errors, 5 errors, like that.
Can it be rectified if something's like this come?
So say again. Tell me again. Are you telling something? I think we lost him.
So majorly we are talking about the Amazon thing, right? But when I went for this Notion Press publishing, they have around 1350 megapixel like pixels, and so then I had to change a bit of I went and changed the DPI and then uploaded it.
Yeah, see,
it variates. Yeah.
see, when you're talking about DPI, just a minute. Now, suppose I am opening something. Suppose just yesterday I made one cover. So now, see, suppose I am going in the image and image size. So it is showing 1600 and 2500 height. Are you able to see?
Yes.
So now, suppose I am reducing, it is 150 and I am putting OK. Then that size of image also will reduce. See, now it is 800 and 1250. So accordingly, now suppose I am putting 400 DPI, then the width and height pixel size will also increase.
So if we disable the link of link which is linking to the height and width of the picture, that then also we can variate, we can manipulate the pixel size as well.
Yes,
that
yes.
is very simple. Yeah.
See, what is pixel actually? It is when you are increasing the pixel, means you are making resolution high. So your dots per inch. So if it is 1 inch, there, suppose it is a 1 inch size. If you are putting some 500 dots, and if it same inch 1 inch size, if you are putting 1000 dots, so which will be more? 1000 dots will be more. So 1000 dots means it will be more visible, more clear. If you are putting some 7-8 dots only, then nothing will be visible. So more number of dots means dots per inch. If you are putting 10,000 dots like this, it will be very much resolution will be too high. So nothing but the resolution, it will be more clear picture.
Pixel, is it also a very teeny size of a square?
Yes, it is minute size.
Minute size of a square.
Yes, yes. So what is time? I think more than 45 minutes over.
Yeah.
So anything you can ask, or otherwise we'll wrap it up.
Now you told that you recording where it is going, where
I will see recording. Som is not allowing, so I'm sending to individual Telegram.
Acha, Telegram.
Yeah,
only.
yeah. Take right, sir.
Yeah, so you can watch it.
Our group.
Yes, yeah. Only for Titans.
I have sent in the Titans my book cover. Please see whether I have to do modification or what. That size, it is very near the margin.
Let us see. 1 minute. In the Titan group.
Yes. And there is place for barcode or not?
Is it the same?
Yes. So it is very near the margin, no?
How I can know? It is only some picture.
Okay,
See,
this is the.
if you send me in a or I can copy it and put it in then only I can come to know in a
See that my name is very near the margin, I'm thinking.
yeah. So it will not work because it is very much near to the border.
So I have given it to the designer. I'll tell him to make it little away.
So designer will automatically make it. You don't have to tell him.
So he
Will-
only has given me this.
Yeah,
It is
but
right.
if he has given means maybe
He is
just
yet
try.
to give me the final, but this is what he has given me because I have to tell him the number of pages. After that, he'll make the spine and give me
See,
together.
you can send one message that yeah that bottom text may be very near to the border and it may not work. So he will answer.
And here the other page, that barcode space is there enough, no? That one.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And then here, do we have to put review?
Where review of
Review of the book by someone and put on the back cover or no?
no, you don't have to put
No,
it
no.
there. Yeah, if you want to put, you can put it. But then other text you have to reduce it.
Yes.
Yes, you can
Okay.
put it. But don't put your email address and everything.
No, that I will not
Yes,
put.
yes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So anything?
One more thing.
Yes, go ahead.
Sorry, like I'm bothering you once again, but
No, you're not bothering. It's okay.
so sweet. Thank you. एक मेरा ना जो कविता की पुस्तक थी उसका कवर मैंने रीडिजाइन कराया लास्ट फ्राइडे को ना वो रिजेक्ट हो गया तो मैंने ना एक और कवर रीडिजाइन कराया मैंने अभी जस्ट आपको टाइटन्स में भेजा है टेलीग्राम में प्लीज देख के
नहीं
बताइए
रिजेक्ट
क्या
हो
मैं
गया है
share-
मतलब कहाँ से रिजेक्ट हुआ है? कौन रिजेक्ट?
मैंने ना फ्राइडे को सोम सर को दिखाया था तो उनको दो मैंने दिखाए थे शायद आपको याद होगा या फिर मैं एक बार क्या मैं प्रोजेक्ट कर दूं
या हम लोग देखा था वो 3 था उसमें से एक
नहीं
जो
उसके बाद दो और डिजाइन कराए थे मैंने
अच्छा
तो हाँ तो वो अगर आप देख सकें तो जनरल में पड़ा होगा हमारे पब्लिक उसमें डायमंड मेंबर्स में
डायमंड में
हाँ और एक मैंने अभी जस्ट शेयर किया आपसे
वेरी नाइस
ये वाला
हाँ जी
अच्छा है ना
तो एक तो मैंने ये शेयर किया नया बनवाया है ये एक और दो जो थे जो रिजेक्ट हो गए थे वो आपको मिलेंगे डायमंड्स में डायमंड्स के जनरल वाले फोल्डर में
ये है ना that fonts are not matching with the background.
कौन सा नॉट मैचिंग विद बैकग्राउंड
हाँ मतलब लाइट
तो
लग रहा
व्हाइट
है
में लिखा
Font
हुआ
is not
डार्क होने से
visible.
बेटर है
ये जो व्हाइट है ना उसमें वो मिक्स हो जाता है
अच्छा जी
Dark होना चाहिए.
some dark color instead of that white.
या सो बैकग्राउंड डार्क है ना तो लाइट फॉन्ट यूज कीजिए और मतलब लाइट है तो डार्क फॉन्ट्स यूज कीजिए
जी
सो इट विल बी विजिबल ये सी मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट जो कवर है ना उसमें सब कुछ क्लियर दिखना चाहिए एवरीथिंग शुड बी विजिबल यू नो मतलब इसमें दूर से पढ़ाई नहीं देते नीचे भी लिखा हुआ है ना टेक्स्ट वो भी ठीक से जूम
Not
करो तो भी
visible.
बहुत मुश्किल से पढ़ सकते हैं मतलब इट शुड बी वेरी मच विजिबल यू नो ये जो बाग बाग लिखा है अच्छा है लेकिन वो थोड़ा अलग कलर फॉन्ट में होता ना तो अच्छा दिखाई दे या फिर
इनमें से
देख
हम ब्लू कलर यूज कर सकते हैं बाग बाग में
I
यस
think
यस
so. Anything dark, na?
हाँ.
Something dark has to be there.
ठीक है मैं उन्हें बोलती हूँ और दो और मैंने उसमें डाले हुए हैं
और
जनरल
ये
वाले folder।
मतलब ये कि मॉक मॉक क्यों है उसमें मॉक को आप अपलोड करेंगे उसमें
नहीं उसमें फाइनल वाला अपलोड करेंगे
हाँ मतलब नहीं मतलब कहने का ये है कि इट शुड नॉट बी इन दिस 3D व्हेन यू आर
जी
अपलोडिंग
जी
इट
जी
शुड बी
जी
सिंपल मैं भी बहुत पहले करता था सोम ने मना किया है कि आप 3D क्यों अपलोड करते हो तो
ठीक
इसलिए उसका कुछ रीजन होगा आई नेवर आस्क्ड व्हाई लेकिन वो सिंपल कवर है ना वही किंडल में करना है Or yeah, this you can put it in A+ content and all. There you can.
मैंने 2 और किए थे, वो जनरल में है। क्या आप देख, मतलब अगर आप लोगों को देखना होगा तो इफ यू कैन जस्ट रेफर इट।
इट वाज क्वाइट गुड, आई थिंक आई वाज
फ्राइडे को मैंने दिखाया था, बट सोम का कहना था कि दे आर नॉट अप टू द मार्क करके।
देखिए, एक दूसरा है कि जो कवर बनाएंगे ना, 50 आदमी बैठे हैं तो 50 अलग अलग ओपिनियन देंगे। नहीं, ये नीचे ऐसा नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, ये सिंबल ठीक नहीं है। तो
मैंने तो बहुत बेकार टाइप का, आई विल नॉट गिव एनी रिव्यू एनी मोर।
मैं तो क्या करता हूँ, कभी कभी किसी को पूछता ही नहीं, ऐसे अपलोड कर देता हूँ। If I am satisfied, I will put it.
Our design, according to me, it should be depending on myself, what I feel better. Of course, I should show.
Third party opinion is always.
Decision should be the individual. I'm
always asking 1 or 2 fellows, about my cover and all. At least about to my accountability partner. So I will tell that, okay, give me some suggestion. Then
does everybody have accountability partner?
My partner is not here.
You can have accountability partner with each other,
Last
but
time,
I don't have accountability partner.
You must be having. You might have forgotten.
Is
No.
Everybody is having one.
There is no
okay. What is accountability partner? Tell me.
साथ उठो।
नहीं, जो आपको रिमाइंड कराए, पुस्तक लिखो, पब्लिश करो।
और अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर है ना, वो आपको ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपको बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए। वो बोलेंगे क्या लिखा है यार इसमें, तो ठीक ही नहीं आपका टाइटल, तो आपको बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए।
I think in the silver level we had one accountability partner. In the diamond level, I do not think there has been formed any accountability partner, because since like Mr. K.R. Goswami is there, we do not need, I feel, any accountability partner so far.
And if we are in the same boat, then there is no use of his advice. He might not know more than me, no, my accountability partner, if we are in the same boat.
Exactly. We are each other accountability partner. I believe so.
उसको खुद को तो आना चाहिए, दोनों एक ही उसमें है तो कैसे एक दूसरे को लीड करेंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। Everybody has got some expertise. किसी को
Definitely. As you suggested, Mr. Goswami, last time I showed my this thing cover page I made myself in the Canva, and you suggested that you should not go to the border line. I reduced it, and color also, as you suggested, the contrasting color I have made it. I will put it in the Telegram group for Friday, Thursday. It will be. I do not know the subhead also. I believe. What is the content of the book that I know better? What should be the subhead?
See, one thing I want to tell you: when you are showing your cover to somebody, in our facilitator group, one of the members told what kind of cover you have made. Your cover is has not got no sense. You have put the image something else, and their fonts are something else, your title something else. Then almost I wept in the night, but it was for my betterment. Last time when I have shown my book cover to Som, then I have put some bullet points in that benefits.
Yeah.
Then
he told that bullet point is not required.
Why you are putting bullet points? Then I told for separating. No, you put it comma. Then I told, you see, what type of man he is? He is pointing out everything. So it should not be there. You must always think reader's point of view. What reader will think.
No, but some people might mind, no? If we say like that.
Some people mind that then they will not talk to you.
See this Asim Khatoj, I wrote The Power of Silence. It was so lonely type. Other one, that man is so depressed. That Power of Silence, Asim Khatoj. I wrote, then I thought I should not write.
Yeah, some people they take it to heart.
Actually, that is the thing. I believe everybody give his best effort to design the book and the content, subhead, everything. Nobody wants that my book should be bad. Still, if any grammatically or anything most necessary to mention, that should be mentioned by members. I believe so.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, love strongly, hate wisely. And good night.
Yes. Good night.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.